In this video, I want to introduce the concept of scarcity, which is a very common sales tactic that is used to boost sales a lot.
This video is brought to you by EpiPie's Academy.
And the premise of it is that you create often a false sense of scarcity, in a sense, a feeling in the customer that time is running out or there's like a limited supply and they need to hurry up and buy what they're shopping for, otherwise something will happen. And some people think it's a dishonest sales method because, of course, there's a tiny bit of dishonesty in there. I agree. For example, if you have only when car dealerships say, we only have like one car in stock, hurry up soon, and if we sell it, we'll run out. Of course, they have more cars in stock most likely, but they tell you that they have one left or like one at this price or something like that so that you would come in quickly. And it's not just car salesmen who do this. It's actually almost entirely everywhere you see big companies do this all the time. They say things while supplies last. Sale ends tomorrow. The price goes up after a certain date after the sale ends. Only a certain number left in stock. Only 2 seats left on a plane. You might have seen a lot of these. Everywhere you shop, you get these messages. You may have ignored it, but it's everywhere and all the companies do it. If this tactic is not for you, you don't have to do it, because being honest in sales is a value of itself, and I totally commend that actually. But at the same time, if you are doing sales, this is one of the tools in your tool belt, so at least you have to learn it. Usually it is time-based or supply-based. Time is running out. Typically, sale is running out. Or like when you have like a weekend sale or a holiday sale, well, people know they need to get it at that time. Or it's supply-based. A lot of times, like only 2 left in stock, or only a certain amount of left. Or I see a lot of business coaches say, I only have room for one more client and then I'm booked. So of course people want to jump on that opportunity, but probably they have more room for clients, And then after that, you want to follow that up with a call to action. Come into the store now, or order soon, or buy now, or take advantage of this low price now. And this is something you can apply to your business starting today, and it does boost sales. Whatever you think of the morality and ethics of this, it does boost sales. And here I am on an Amazon page, and what I see is sometimes labels like this. You see on the right side, limited time deal, where they want to get you to hurry up. There's a limited sale, right? And sometimes I see things like, if there's a low inventory of something, I see limited inventory. So companies use this all the time, and so it's not bad if you use it too at the end of the day. And if you have honestly natural scarcity situations, like you can only serve a certain number of people, then of course you should use that, because then it's honest and it's fully ethical.